and I go down there. I'm pretty sure that that is way past the end of the lock. And so I just felt like it shifted just barely, but I don't know. And now like it's something's blocked right back there. I can't quite get my finger over it. Does that mean it's binding? Or does that mean that I've got it false set? Does it mean I don't know. I wonder what happens. I wonder if you can actually hear anything if I stick this mic like closer to this. I just heard everything click off there. So like there, I can feel it pinned back in the back. It doesn't really want to go anyway, but then the other ones are spongy. So there's this concept that I'm stuttering with. Like I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I can feel some things, I can not feel some things. But I keep trying. And like if it doesn't work, I start over again because I don't know quite what's going on. But even though I don't know what's going on, if I get to the point where this thing pops open, and it has popped open before, I've done it 3 times today, and I did it 2 times last night. But see, like right there, I can feel something like all of a sudden the tension, because I don't have a lot of tension on here, but suddenly something tweaked back there. One of the things that it can be that I'm tweaking is that the back of my pick sometimes hits this thing, and then all of a sudden I feel something. Let's try that again. See, oh, that was something. Something just clicked back there. So I wish I could get this other hook to work right. Oh, here it is. Watch these other guys do it. And this is closer to the hook that they seem to like best, right? This is a simple hook. But this hook, when I try to use it in here, I can't get it to, I can't even get it to go back. I think, so some of the stupid realizations I've had. It's like, man, I need to get a hook that is better than this one. And it took me 4 weeks to like get to the point where I realized that I could just modify this hook to get it to be more like the one that they have. And if I were really clever, I would grab my goddamn knife and start filing it, because my knife has a file on it. But no, my knife is not sitting near me right now, because it's probably upstairs in my pants, because I haven't bothered to change clothes after my walk. But that one doesn't work right now. This one lets me in much better than that one. But it has the danger of, when I push it in, because I got to get down a little bit, that the front of this thing will be pushing down on pins on the front, and so I won't. I'm actually not picking at one pin at a time, even though I think I am. Like right now, it's sort of stuck back there, and I'm trying to figure out, is that because the pin is sticking, or is this because I'm finding, interference with the keyway? If I increase my tension just a little, and that did not quite work. So this will probably go down as a failed attempt to open this lock, and a failed attempt to keep my everything straight. And then I'll come back after I take a shower and try this again. One of the things that you have to learn how to remember is how to turn your camera off. Dumb fuck. Figure out how to turn your own damn camera. I just don't know how to keep your hand in this frame. I swear I was able to do this like an hour ago. I did it 3 times in a row. And now, it would help if I actually used the pick in the right direction. I swear that this means that that pin is binding right now, and that means I should be able to back off on it just a little bit, because I can't pull my pick out. Doesn't help to have your mic fall down. Probably doesn't help that there's water flowing upstairs because my son is taking a shower. And mics. So one of the joys of mics is that there's auto gain on a lot of them, and if you're not careful, well, this one doesn't seem to have too bad. It seems to respond pretty well looking at the meters. When I'm not talking, it's not doing anything. I wonder if this will work better if I just look at my monitor, because I'm monitoring my sound levels as I do this to see. Look, see, look, I can peak. I think I need to go get some extra batteries to go in with this mic. Not that I've been using my mic a lot. I seem to have a propensity to leave my devices on, and then the batteries go dead. Can't figure out how that happens. I'm gonna turn this off for now. See. Interesting. So now I'm doing this upside down now to see if that would be even easier. Turn the light on again and see if that helps. It's a little easier to keep it in frame. And I really am looking forward to the day that I know what the hell the Lockpicking Lawyer is really saying when he says all the things. I can almost feel what he's saying, but man, it is not quite what I expect. I just rub it back and forth. Will it work? No. Man. Let's see if I get that back there. Oh my God, it popped. See that? Ah! But I don't know why. And it's like, it's moving, okay? Clearly this lock I've picked the lock. That doesn't know I know how to pick the lock. It just means that it has been picked. But there's a difference between having picked a lock and knowing exactly why the lock got picked. And you might equate this to moral dilemmas. You might equate it to gray areas. You might equate it to a bunch of different things. But it's fun to do this, whether it makes sense or not. Anyway, everybody have a good day. Bye.